So here in this beautiful place in the north of Israel, Nikra, right on the border of Lebanon, this beautiful Yam, this beautiful sea, the sun that's working its way towards setting. I want to just share a quick thought about this week's Parshat Noach. Right? And at the very end of last week's Parsha, the very last verse says, V'noach matzachin be'enei Hashem. Right? That Noah found grace in the eyes of God. But it's interesting with Noach, matzachin, right? Noach and chen, the same letters, just different order. This is the idea that with the eyes of God, Noach was able to find himself. Right? See the mirror reflection of himself. With eyes of God, you can see yourself in the world. Right? You can see yourself in all things around you with these divine eyes. With these eyes that can see a little deeper, a little bit wider. And it's interesting because this week's Parsha, we learn about the flood. We learn about the world getting destroyed through water. And the question is, why through water? Why would God choose the vehicle of water to destroy the world? I think there's a message hidden in there. Right? Water, we know in Hebrew is mayim. And mayim reads the same forwards and backwards. Right? It's a reflection of itself. And when you look into mayim, when you look into the water, you can see a reflection of yourself. Water is this vehicle as well, like the eyes of God, right? That allow us to see ourselves for who we truly are. Right? Maybe the flood came, maybe the destruction of the world, the renewal of the world came through water as a sign to show the people of the world, look at yourself, look at what you're doing. Right? Look at the world around you. Right? See the connection. Right? We have to start all over again. Right? It didn't work the first time. Right? Let's try again. And I think it's a teaching for us, lingering through all generations. Right? What's happening in the world around us? What the events, the quote-unquote coincidences, the quote-unquote things that just happen the way they do. They're not just random. They don't just happen that way. Right? But there's something to show us. There's something in each event and every happening around us. Right, that they can teach us something not only about the world, but something about us. The world is speaking to us, right? God speaks to us through the events of the world, right? And the mayim is there possibly as a teacher for that. I think it's a very strong teacher. So as we watch this beautiful, beautiful body of water, the Mediterranean Sea, and the sun setting over it, right, we're reminded of the events of this week's Torah portion, right? And may we be blessed to really have these divine eyes, these Einei Hashem, these eyes of God, to look out into the world around us and to see God talking to us, to see the world speaking to us, right, guiding us on our way. May we learn the lessons that we need to learn and have a beautiful week. Be well.